Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Mwango, an African solo traveler from Kenya, and welcome to Paris, the capital city of France. And please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about today's video. So outfit of the day. Anyway guys, apparently it's 9:21 p.m. and I decided to step out for dinner. So we want to board a train and we are going to this one famous street, and I want to go have some dinner there. Today is my last day in Paris and I thought, why not? So we are going to Champs-Élysées. Okay, so we want to go and have dinner there. So we need to scan, you know, you have to scan your ticket before passing. So I did that already, and we are taking a train to this famous street called Champs-Élysées. Okay, and I'm so excited about this because it's this famous street, and it has been sung by Sauti Sol, the famous Sauti Sol in Kenya. And I thought, why not have dinner there before leaving Paris? Okay, so we just want to board a train. We want to go and enjoy dinner at Champs-Élysées. So this way, yeah, we need to go at A. Oh, the train station is so big, so you need to know where you're going. All right, let's do this. Okay. The trains here are too long, extremely long, and actually they have the lower part and the upper part. That means so many people really bought trains here in Paris. Okay, and actually it's the cheapest means of transport, so basically everybody wanna take trains, you know. So let's wait for the train to come. It's about 5 minutes away. Then we wanna head to our destination. Okay. Wow, very tall. Yes. I'm just making my videos, then I'm like, Mwango, I'm like, wow.
Good evening, good
evening. Hello.
How you doing? What's up, guys? Good evening.
How have you recognized me? I'm like making my vlog, then I'm like,
I watch Marwa, I watch David Jr.,
wow.
I watch Casta, I watch Mick, I watch Mayugno, Nasto, all of them, every one of them.
Thank you for supporting us.
So how you doing?
Really appreciate it.
Welcome. Sorry for your bag. Have you found your bag?
Thank you for being a loyal subscriber. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I lost my bag, so I just got it today, early in the morning. I was like, thank God, at least I found it. Hey, I feel so good. Thank you.
Welcome to Paris.
Thank you. I feel so good to be in Paris.
Now?
It's so good. Like, I'm loving it. I'm going to this famous street called Champs-Élysées. Do you know?
Champs-Élysées, yeah. You need to take, okay, you take this train.
Yeah, right here.
You stop at Châtelet. From Châtelet, you take area A.
Yeah.
Take it to Champs-Élysées. That's where the heartbeat of Paris.
Yeah. I just want to check it right now. You know, that place is so famous. There's these musicians in our country, Sauti Sol. They sang a song and they mentioned the streets. So I was like,
that place is the heart of tourists, because close to that place we have the Eiffel Tower where you can go. That's just the area there.
Yeah, just the area.
That's the big heart of Paris.
Yeah. Thank you for the support.
So do you want to go?
Where do you come from? Nigeria?
I'm from Nigeria. I saw it when you were commenting that you are coming to Paris. If anybody live in Paris, you don't want drama. I said, because I see the way people talk on YouTube.
Yeah.
When you talk much of people, you can't grow more than them.
Yeah, you can.
It's as if you are eating what is falling from the table.
Exactly.
Be original and be yourself and do your thing so that people will know you your own way.
Exactly.
I I've been watching Marwa now. He's now in Amazona.
Yeah.
I follow Marwa back to back.
Thank you. This is the train, right?
Yeah. You take this one. We're going to stop you at Chatway.
Yeah.
Let me show you next ticket.
Are you going? No. But I can just go by myself. Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Okay, do you want to take
I really appreciate it.
God bless you.
Bye. God bless you. Yeah. Wow, it was so nice meeting Team G in Paris. You guys, we are international. Wow. Okay. Apparently, I've never boarded this one. So we have the lower part. We have the upper part. All right, let's take a seat here. Oh, that was so beautiful meeting one of my subscribers in Paris, and thank you so much. I know you want to watch this again. Thank you. So apparently we want to have 4 stops to our final destination, and let's go have dinner there. Okay. Like what you see right there, so you can easily see where you are headed to, as long as you don't sleep inside. If you don't want to get lost, that is. But yeah, we're almost there. And also use my Google Maps. So for those who normally ask me, D, how do you get along? I use Google Maps, and of course you have to be sharp and observant. You check on the screen. Okay. We're almost. This is the train station that you alight. Then now we can walk to Champs-Elysees. Oh my gosh, I feel so happy, you guys, my guys, to have been here in France and also going to Champs-Elysees. Okay. Wow, so many people use the trains because they are really affordable, I can say, and so fast. Escalator going up to Champs-Elysees, the heart of Paris. You want to go and have dinner there and check out how the streets look like. And please give the video a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video. So we go to number 1. Yeah, number 1 is Champs-Elysees. So just keep checking the screens. Okay, so we're getting to the exit. So this is how you maneuver in Paris. You just use your Google Maps. You also check the screen so that you don't get lost. Okay. You guys, my guys, we're not yet there. So we're still walking. And wow, I love the metro stations here. They look so beautiful and colorful. Look at that. So we're still on our way to Champs-Elysees. As you all see here, this is where we are going. Champs-Elysees. So 1, Okay, we're going up. Oh, we have to go to Champs-Elysees. And at night it's more lively because people are out having dinner, having fun. So let's go check Champs-Elysees. Oh, we have to keep going up. Oh yay! Finally, guys, we got to the exits. Welcome to Champs-Elysees. It's a bit dark. It's 10 p.m. The sun has gone down. I don't know if you guys can see me now or only my teeth. Lol. So we're here at Champs-Elysees. All right. So we are finally at Champs-Elysees, but I have to look for that signpost where it's written Champs-Elysees. Okay, but here we are already. People are shopping. There are lots of cafes within here, burgers, just name them. You know, burgers are not my thing, but I don't know, maybe want to find a restaurant here and eat. Okay, as I look for these, you know, board written Champs-Elysees. You know, like I don't want to miss that. You can as well buy yourself souvenirs along Champs-Elysees street. It's such a lively place, you know, with lots of cafes up to the other stretch. So let's keep checking out Champs-Elysees. So guys, I told you I was to find where it's written Champs-Elysees. So finally, there we are. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. My camera cannot zoom, but finally we are here at Champs-Elysees. Oh my gosh, you guys, my guys, I'm finally walking on the streets of Champs-Elysees. How amazing is that? I couldn't afford to miss, you know, taking a picture of that place. Maybe actually I should go back and ask somebody to take a picture, but now you can't just trust anybody because it's at night, you know. But the lighting here is so perfect inside the streets of Champs-Elysees. Okay, to Strasbourg. It's one of the cities in France. It's very historic, and I thought, why not check it out before I leave France? And I'm so glad I'm here with one of my fans, and I want to check out this church. It's the Cathedral Church. It's very historic, and the view from the top is something else. So I just want to go inside, take the stairs, over 300 stairs to the top, so that we can have the beautiful view of Strasbourg from the top. Oh, so guys, finally I'm going back to my hotel. The dinner was superb. I loved it. At least I had that feeling of eating African made food, because it was basically chicken curry and rice. But I really had a good time at Champs-Elysees. It's a dream come true. So finally it's time for me to go home, and yeah, let's do this. So I need to locate where I'm going, so I'll see you when I'm done. Hey guys, good morning. I hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Dee Mwango, an African female traveler. Now in Europe, we are in Paris, the capital city of France. So it's early morning, it's on a Monday, and this is part 2 of yesterday's night video from Champs-Élysées. Alright, the dinner was amazing. I got back home pretty late, but trust me, it was worth it. So it's another day. I'm leaving Paris right now, and we're going to Strasbourg. Okay, this is a city in France, very historical and equally a beautiful city. And remember guys, we need to keep moving. So I guess it's enough of Paris. Maybe I'll be back, I'm not so sure, but I think at least every year I should be coming to Europe. You know, I really love Paris. I can't wait to be back again. So Paris has been nice to your girl, and time for me to leave. It's so early. It's 7:37 a.m. in the morning, and I'm in the Uber going to the train station that will be leaving at 7:20. So hopefully I don't miss my train. And I love traveling by trains because unlike flights, you know, at least you're not scared of losing your bag. Actually, I got my bag, guys. Wow, look at that. Beautiful Paris. Wow. So I'm on my way to the train station. So let's do this. See you there. And also I'm going to meet one of Team D fans to the core. She has been really supporting me for the longest time ever. And I can't wait to meet her finally, okay? So let's do this. See you at the train station. It's gonna be a journey of about, I think 2 hours or something. When I get there, I'll confirm with you guys. And it's gonna be a speed train. Actually, I love train rides so much. They remind me of Sri Lanka. My favorite country, actually, when it comes to like train rides, Sri Lanka has one of the best. From Colombo to Kandy, one of the best. All right, so let's hit the road. Let's go. Goodbye Paris, I wanna see you again. Hey guys, we made it to the train station. So I just want to know where we are boarding from, so that I don't miss my train. You know, sometimes you could be here and still miss your train. So let me hurry up. Okay guys, we made it to the train station. My train is the next one after the one that people are boarding. So I thought maybe we should have breakfast because it's really important, right? And being on a Monday, we need to start on a high note, okay? So this is how the airport looks, not the airport, but the train station looks like. It's a pretty beautiful train station, and also they have food, not only here, but so many stalls you can find food. So let's see what we can get for breakfast before leaving, okay? Maybe some croissant. I don't do burgers, cheese in the morning. Maybe a croissant will do. Okay guys, so finally we are boarding, and wow, I love how the trains look like here in Paris. Really beautiful. So we're looking for couch 7. This is 2. We have to go to the farthest end, and so many travelers, of course. And train rides are the best, I guess, as means of transport. Okay, okay guys, so we just boarded, and the train is pretty beautiful in the inside, and that's how it looks like. And we are about to leave. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't miss this train, despite the fact that I had 30 to 40 minutes left. And you know, the train stations are really big, so you need to really understand where to board from. So guys, we just left the train station here at Paris, the capital city. So we headed to Strasbourg. So let me take you along. Wish me a safe journey, and let's see how it goes as I take you along. guys, so finally we are here. Oh my gosh, wow, it's raining. Oh my gosh, it's so cold, it's raining. So welcome to Strasbourg. The ride has been amazing, but woo, it's raining, very cold. I need a jacket. Oh my gosh, you guys, I never expected it could be raining. It's summertime in Europe, but whew, it's so cold and raining here. So guys, finally I'm here at Strasbourg, and guess who I'm with? The one and only
Black Forest Princess.
Finally we met.
We met.
You guys, honestly, for those who don't know her, she has been my loyal fan like for the longest. You know those real Team D to the core. She's one of them. Aki, and thank you so much, Yani.
You're welcome.
She's such a darling. She always supports me. Like, we've come from far. Like, even before I had plans to come here, she used to still support me and all that, like, for years. And finally, I'm here. And what's the name of this place?
Strasbourg, France. You know, because I come from Germany, the other side, so we say Strasbourg. But here you saw it, you're even asking, is it the same one? Yes. Strasbourg. Yeah.
Okay, and you're looking nice.
Thank you.
So guys,
welcome.
Yeah, thank you so
Mwango.
much. I really appreciate. I'm so happy to have met her finally. So we're checking around. She's showing me around this beautiful place. It's so touristic as well. Actually, from Paris to this place is not far. And from here to Germany is also not far. It's just a train ride away, all right? So we're checking out this place. She's equally new like me because she comes from Germany. So let's check out how Strasbourg looks like, okay? Le Bristol. So we're still in not Paris, we're still in France, guys. You know,
but you know the thing is, I live in the middle.
Oh, in the middle
why
of
I was
both.
insisting because if you are coming to my place, you are going to change the train here.
Oh, okay.
And Strasbourg is very historic and very beautiful.
Yeah, so it's good to check it out.
Yes.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's do this.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's the train station. Really, it looks beautiful. Yeah, so unique. Yeah, it looks like the is it the Louis Vuitton or Gucci logo in this country? It's called Singapore. Actually, it kind of looks like this. Yeah, I was taking some pictures there, and yeah, it reminds me of Singapore. Almost the same look. So it's really beautiful at this area, as you all see, and surprisingly it's drizzling. It's kind of cold, not too much, but the sun is not out. The sun is not out. Okay,
we're going to bring the sun.
Yeah. Okay, we wait for the traffic lights. We cross. Okay, we're crossing now. So actually we're so close to Germany, Belgium, Switzerland. They're just within us, you know.
You can have breakfast in Germany,
dinner in Switzerland,
and in Paris.
Yeah, actually it's so true, you know, because just a train ride away. And I love the fact that the train rides are so good and comfortable and classy, you know.
And very punctual.
Yeah,
right?
on time, you know. So we keep walking and checking out.
We are so
Wow.
early now.
Yeah, it's good to do your stuff early. I believe the early birds catch the worm. So you do your things early, then you have enough time to rest. Yeah. Okay. So guys, welcome to Strasbourg. It's one of the cities in France. It's very historic. And I thought, why not check it out before I leave France? And I'm so glad I'm here with one of my fans. And I want to check out this church. It's the Cathedral Church. It's very historic. And the view from the top is something else. So I just want to go inside, take the stairs, over 300 stairs to the top so that we can have the beautiful view of Strasbourg from the top. So guys, we got to the top, you know. This is one of the most iconic churches here that you can come across. It's called the Cathedral Catholic Church. And coming up here is not a joke. You have to take the stairs. I don't know how many stairs they are, but maybe I'll research and let you know. But I think there are over 300 stairs. And the view from the top is amazing. Although it's raining, it's a chilly day here. So I thought it's summer, but not what I expected. It's
This
something
time
else.
our summer is not giving.
It's not giving.
No, it's lost somewhere.
Yeah, it's like lost summer, honestly. Yeah. Everybody's in jackets, you know. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, it's so beautiful from the top. The view is giving. Huh? This is the view that we get from the top of Strasbourg. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, it is beautiful. It's rewarding. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. We have the compass here. Madrid. Wow. Rio. Buenos Aires. My brother was in all these places. Buenos Aires, Rio. Wow. Oh, wow. Nairobi. Ooh. Nairobi. How beautiful it feels to see Nairobi. Oh my gosh, you guys, my God.
That's nice. You know, I was here last time and I didn't
You
see
didn't
this.
see Nairobi? Hey, you guys, Canairo. Here we come. 6,211 kilometers from here to home. Wow. I feel so good to have seen Nairobi.
Yeah.
Okay, Jerusalem, Athens, Sydney, New Delhi. Wow. Moscow, Berlin, Germany, Stockholm, Oslo, Amsterdam. Wow. Okay. Oh, let's keep checking out on this other area. It's raining. Oh. The view is giving. Checking around, I'm here and we are together hanging out in this beautiful place, and we decided to come to a restaurant. Let's show you what we are having. It's a very beautiful, fancy restaurant, and I think Strasbourg is just a beautiful place. You know, everything here looks so good. Yeah. So this is how the restaurant looks. So good. I love the, you know, the decor. Everything is so beautiful. Look at that. The lights. Damn. So we are having We are having pizza. This is margarita pizza, and I'm having some fresh juice here, and she's having Coca-Cola. And guys, did I mention we both Kenyans? Maybe they don't know, you know, we come from the same country, and she has been my long time subscriber and good fan, loyal Team D fans. Thank you so much. Yeah. So wow, this place looks beautiful, really nice. Okay, let's enjoy. So we also took a ride and we are checking around, and it's something you can as well try because they give you the history. The headsets that I'm having on my head, actually they have some sound and they give you the complete history of this beautiful place, Strasbourg. It's very historic, so you get the information using the headphones or headsets, depending on how you call them, as you have a ride. Okay, so let's keep checking out Strasbourg. Yeah, it's nice. My camera is giving.
Oh, look at me.
Yeah. Okay guys, your Kenyan babes in France. So we decided to stop by and we want to get some smoothies. Of course, we have to keep healthy, and of course the weather, it's summertime, although it was raining earlier, but right now it's no longer raining. So let me show you where we're getting our smoothies. It's such a beautiful place. Wow. So we're getting at this shop, and they have like organic smoothies. Oh, here they are. Wow. Okay. Cheers.
Welcome to France.
Thank you. The one and only Black Forest Princess. My OG Premier Gang. Premier Gang squad. Huh? Wow, it's so good. It's giving. Right? It's giving.
Oh wow.
It's giving.
So good. I want it.
So good. We also came across the tram station and OMG. I have to say, oh my goodness, these are one of the most beautiful trams you can ever find in Europe. Of course, France is known for this. And I was like, wow, it's my first time to see such beautiful trams. And I can say France is beautiful and the transport system is something else, well organized. You can come across the trams within the city, they can take you around, and isn't that amazing? And I love how they look colorful, different colors. It's just fascinating, right? And trust me, I took like nearly 10 minutes to just stare at the trams, and they look so good. And I thought, why not also show you the beautiful trams here in France, in Strasbourg? So let me know what you think about them. But I was like, wow, I should share with you this as well. And OMG, I hope one day my country, Kenya, will get here someday. Of course, dreams are valid, but trust me, I was so much fascinated with this. And they're really affordable. You can move from one place to the other. So, wow, I was just fascinated and I couldn't hide it as well. And then the first time seeing trams.
But even for me, it was quite
Leo ni leo. Wow. Hata kuna ingine ndo hii imekuja imesimama.
hii inaenda hivi.
It's so cute. Wow, it's so cute. Oh guys, so guys, apparently we're still here at Strasbourg. It's one of the best places I can say. We've been doing a city tour. It was raining earlier in the morning, but right now the weather is perfect. It's giving. Wow, okay, some more trains come, not trains but trams. Wow, damn. Wow, welcome to Europe. Welcome to France. Okay, so basically guys, today I hope you've really enjoyed today's video, sharing with you my journey from Paris to Strasbourg. I can say the trains in France, they're really good and amazing. Come on this side because of the light. So I can say the trains are really nice, very comfortable, and they're so fast and they're affordable, Actually, if you check the prices of flights compared to trains or trams, you realize that trains or trams are really, really affordable. And from now henceforth, I'll be moving using trains to other countries. No more flights, because right now where I am to Germany, it's so close. To Belgium, super close. Switzerland, very close. Italy, very close. So now I'll be moving.
Austria.
Yeah, Austria, Vienna. Oh wow, I should go to Vienna. Anybody watching from those countries, please reach me out. But Germany, I got my girl here. Don't write me out. Don't write to me. Although so many people wanted to meet me, James and the rest. I don't know, but let's see how it goes. But I can't promise because I don't want to give false promises, honestly. Okay, so guys, I hope you've really enjoyed today's video as I have. And my girl here has also a YouTube channel. Give herself a shout out.
Hey guys, Black Forest Princess in here.
Yeah,
guys, check out my YouTube channel. The thing is, I still haven't how do we say? I still don't know what I should do on my YouTube channel, but Dee is here and she's going to guide me.
Yeah, hopefully she wanna be consistent in uploading videos every day. But she's such a darling. She has been supporting me like since long.
100%.
I don't know. 100% team this. Premier gang, you all know her, eh? And thank you so much for loving me. I really appreciate. Thank you for coming through for me. You know, this means a lot. Like today we're just talking Swahili.
You know
and,
what? It's your heart. It's your heart. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just leave it there. Yeah.
Thank you. I know.
It's your heart.
So we're really having a good time. We're speaking our Swahili language, and it feels so good because we rarely speak Swahili, because most of the time you don't find your country people, but I really appreciate. So guys, this is the beautiful Strasbourg. It looks so good. It's very touristic. Let's get, oh yeah, here we can, yeah, it's green, you know, it's giving Amsterdam vibes. The flowers, look at these beautiful flowers. Damn, you guys, my guys, the view is giving. I tell you, that's my view for today. Lol, if you know, you know. Okay, wow guys, look at that. Wow, this is giving Venice vibes, right? Venice vibes. The, you know, the tunnels. Yeah, the tunnels here. Tunnels, yeah, wow guys, the flowers. Strasbourg is beautiful. I love flowers. Look at that, different colors. Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah. So this is Strasbourg, and the best way to check it out is using the how do you call them, the nini that we took? No, we can't call it a tuk-tuk, it has a name. The tour bus. Okay, it's not like you can't say it's a bus. And we can't say it's a tuk-tuk. No. Okay, let us get to know the name in the comment section down below. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But honestly, we are loving Strasbourg. Let me know if you're loving it as well. But it's very historical, and the buildings here look so good, and each building here has a story. And now it's time. We are about to leave Strasbourg to a different destination. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. In case you're new here, my name is Dee Mwango, a solo female traveler from Kenya in Africa, taking you around the world. Right now we are in Europe, and I'm really loving it. France is my third country after Spain, Portugal. Now we are in France, and tomorrow we'll wake up in another country. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching. I love you all, and see you on my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Let's get to 400k subscribers, and we want to see you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.
Do this.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.